In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT image generation not working. If you're trying to create images in ChatGPT and nothing seems to happen, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by account settings, browser problems, or temporary service interruptions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most common things to check so you can get image generation working again. First, make sure your plan and model support image generation. Check that you're using a ChatGPT Plus, Team, or Enterprise plan, and confirm that your chat is running on GPT 4.0 or DALL-E 3. If you're on a plan that doesn't include image generation, or if you're using a different model, the feature may not be available. This is an easy detail to overlook, so it's a good place to start before trying anything more technical. Next, review your prompt carefully. If your request includes copyrighted characters, highly sensitive terms, or overly complicated text overlays inside the image, the system may refuse the request or fail to generate the result you want. Try simplifying the prompt and removing anything that could trigger restrictions. Keeping your wording clear and direct often improves both reliability and image quality. If the prompt looks fine, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old site data can interfere with how ChatGPT loads or communicates with image tools. After clearing your cache, reload the site and try again. If you'd rather not clear everything right away, opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private window is a quick way to test whether cache data is the problem. You should also temporarily disable your VPN and any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can sometimes block background requests that are needed for image generation to work properly. Turn them off for a moment, refresh the page, and test the feature again. If it starts working, then one of those tools is likely causing the conflict. Finally, check the official service status page at status.openai.com. If image generation services are experiencing an outage or degraded performance, the issue may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best thing to do is wait until the service is restored and then try again later. By going through these checks one at a time, you can usually identify the cause pretty quickly. Start with your plan and model, then simplify the prompt, test your browser, disable anything that might interfere, and confirm the service status. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem.